Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. You are watching the ultimate HTML and CSS course made especially for complete beginners. Whether you want to become a front-end developer or just learn how websites are built, this course is a great place to start your web development journey. Hi, my name is Surya Prakash and I will be your coding instructor for this course. From learning how the web works to building beautiful and responsive website using HTML and CSS, you will get hands-on practice and real-world skill to build your own projects. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Code with Surya Official and follow the playlist so you never miss a lesson. And if you are ready, then let's get started. Before we diving into building websites, let's take a quick look at what you will be learning in this course. This is your learning roadmap. Each topic here is designed to build your skills from zero to confident web developer. So let's start. So the first one is why learning web development. We will start by understanding why web development is such a valuable and high demand skill in today's world. Introduction to Web Development. You will learn what exactly web development means and how websites works behind the scenes. Websites versus web applications. You will see how static websites like Wikipedia compare to interactive web like Amazon, Flipkart, Gmail, and Facebook. Types of web development. A quick look at front-end, back-end, and full-stack development and what each one does. Front-end versus back-end versus full-stack. We will compare these roles to help you choose your learning path. We will focus on front-end in this course. Introduction to front-end development. This is where we will begin our coding journey, building the visual parts of websites using HTML and CSS. What is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Get introduced to the three core languages of web. You will understand how they work together. Essential tools. We will set up your development environment, code editor, browser tools, and some cool VS Code extensions. HTML basic to advanced. From text and structure to form and semantic HTML, we will cover everything with hands-on examples. CSS basics to advanced. Styling your styles like a pro, including flexbox, grid, animations, and responsive design. Here is the step-by-step roadmap of what you will learn in HTML and CSS. So let's first discuss about HTML. Introduction to HTML, what it is and how it works behind the scenes. Structure of an HTML document, understanding the layout of a basic HTML file. HTML text and elements, the foundation of all web pages. Text formatting, list and navigation links, image and media integrations, table, forms and semantic HTML. Local storage and SEO essentials like meta tags. So let's discuss about CSS. What is CSS and different ways to write CSS. Selectors and syntax. How to target style HTML. Text, font, colors and spacing. Box model. The secret behind proper layout spacing. Positioning, layout techniques using flexbox and grid. Advanced styling like transitions, animations, and pseudo classes. And finally, CSS variables and functions for writing smart and reusable styles. That's all for this today's introduction. If you are really excited to start building websites from scratch, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Code with Surya Official. Till then, keep smiling and happy coding. See you in the next video.